Hi, my name is Brooklyn Tanner, and we did our presentation on the study of education regarding diabetes. So we just wanted to see how much education the population had on diabetes, and also what they thought about diabetes and how they thought that it was controlled. Type 1 diabetes mellitus is one of the most common long-term conditions affecting children and young adults worldwide. Overall, 31 completed surveys were done on a computer system called SurveyMonkey. We were just able to send out the link to people, and they were able to um, look at that link and then also to answer the questions. And then luckily that put all the data together for us. The survey was able to give us a better understanding of diabetes and the education that our population has on this disease. We were able to see the areas that lacked on education and also the areas that people were very confident in regarding to diabetes. So a couple of the things that stood out to us, some results from the study, was necessary action, most common form of diabetes, and most common, and what they thought type 2 diabetes and type 1 diabetes came from. In the results, you can see two of the charts we put together. The first one is, how often do you think a type 1 diabetic should meet with a nutritionist? A lot of them thought that you should meet with them quarterly, which is actually pretty correct. If you're type 1 diabetes and it is controlled, then you can just meet with the nutrition quarterly, which is really nice. The second graph here is type 2 diabetes and what they thought was the cause of this. A lot of them thought that it was an autoimmune disorder instead of too much sugar, which was really surprising to me because when you think of type 2 diabetes, you think of it being a disease that happens because you're not taking care of your body. So it was very interesting to see. Some conclusions from our result is we were able to receive the adequate amount of surveys so we could have had a better understanding if we had more people complete the survey. If we would have had more people, we would have had more information, and that would have really helped. It would have been better if we had more questions so we could have really dove deep into diabetes and able to assess it better. Diabetes is a very complicated disease, and a lot of people have little knowledge about the disease and the work it is to be able to control this disease. Unfortunately, I don't think we're ever going to have a cure for this, or it'll be long ways down the road. So it would be really helpful if we were able to take this education and give it to those family members, give it to those people around the people that have diabetes every day. So that's our presentation. Thank you so much.